Hi, John or Lee, or both. My name is Parker, and I work for YAG SEO. We are a marketing agency here in the Edmonton area. And after speaking on the phone with Mitch yesterday, I thought I would send you out this quick video going over 3 things that you can do today to start beating out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste any of your time and I don't want to waste mine either. So if by the end of this video, if you guys like what you see and if you'd like to know more on how we can help grow your business online, then give me a call or email and I'd love to have a chat with you. If not, then no harm, no foul. You can take these tips that I'm giving you today and try and put them into action for your business as soon as possible. So the 3 things I'm going to be going over are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first thing is going to be content. So that can be anything you see on the front page, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and also what's behind the pictures. Those are all included as content. So if I go and try and save an image on your website here, you can see that it's just named multi-mashup, the file name there. And I can see you have a full photograph gallery of photos. So you can actually go and save every individual photo on your entire website as different keywords or phrases that people are constantly using when they are searching for your types of services on Google. So this image here can be saved as Edmonton Electrical or electrical services in Edmonton, anything like that, because those are all keywords that are going to help you rank higher on Google. Now, the other side of content is just going to be the words itself you have. And as I keep on scrolling through your website here, I can see you guys don't really have too many words on your home page, not too much content there. So we strive to have at least 1,500 words alone on the home page because that really helps with getting optimized by Google, and it helps with all of that content to throw in those keywords and phrases I am talking about, because those words and phrases play a big part in where you rank on Google and how easy it is for people to find your website when searching on Google, sorry. So the second thing I want to go over are citations. And you can see here, all I searched for was Edmonton Electrical Services. And quickly before citations here, you can see these Google guaranteed ads. And if you guys were ever interested in doing advertisements on Google, I would definitely recommend getting these Google guaranteed ones. And these companies here actually have to go through a verification process with Google to get them guaranteed with the green check mark there. And those types of ads are just a lot better than traditional ones because the leads you tend to get are a lot better than traditional Google ads. So those are going to be your Google ads. But the second thing I want to go over were citations. And the citations take place down here in the Google Maps section. And all a citation would be is a business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories throughout the internet. And if you guys are wondering what a directory is or how can you get put into them, well, to simply put it, all a directory is a website out there allowing businesses to enter their business's information and services. So a few examples of those would be Yelp or Yellow Pages or LinkedIn, or even Facebook has a directory for citations. And all that's going to do for you guys is give you another avenue for people to find you and reach you guys on Google. So a good technique that we like to use is to go and see what the competitors have for directories and citations, because there's a good chance if they are working for them, then those directories are also going to be working for you guys. So you don't want to just go out and get what your competition would have. However, you want to go out and get way more citations and use more directories than them. So that way you can eventually outrank them and find yourself on the map section of Google here. Now, the last thing I want to go over are backlinks, and that'll take place more down here in the organic part of a Google search. And all a backlink is another website that is linking back to you guys saying that you offer electrical type of services. And what that's going to do for you guys is just give you a little more relevance and more keywords to rank for on Google. So with this tool that we like to use called Ahrefs, you can actually see the referring domains and backlinks and the traffic a company would be bringing in monthly. So I have you guys set up in here already, and you could see that you have 4 referring domains giving you 17 backlinks and about 9 organic clicks of traffic on the organic part of Google every single month. So if we were to compare with one of your competitors here, you can see that they have 94 referring domains, giving them 279 backlinks and 168 clicks of organic traffic per month. So you can see how there would be a lot more traffic and business you could be bringing in just based on where you rank on Google. And I can actually go and click on the referring domains that your competitors would have, and I can see every different website and domain that would be linking back to them right now, giving them the authority and relevance they would have in the marketplace. And just like citations, there's a good chance if a lot of these websites and domains are working for them, they are also going to be working for you guys. So you'd want to go out and get the same ones. And also, like I said earlier, you don't want to just go out and get what your competition would have. You're going to want to get way more backlinks and referring domains than them so that you can eventually outrank them on the organic part of Google. So I really hope that this video has been informative for you guys. I just want to let you know that our first goal is, of course, to add value and actually help out your business. That is why I'm giving you these tips today. So all of my information is going to be right here. And if you guys would like to know more on how we can help grow your business online, then like I said, feel free to give me a call or email and I'd be happy to hop on the phone with one of you guys. And if not, then you could take these tips today and try and put them into action for your company. And with all that being said, I hope to speak to you guys soon. And if not, good luck in the future with your business. Take care.